Hello and welcome to my channel. I didn't do a lot of videos this week. All the bits and pieces that I did, just didn't do video. So I'll just update on things that I've been doing. I've added some stickers around the van. So instead of only seeing Moondancer 1 from behind, I've got stickers on all the sides of the van now. What I have found with my last camping trips, that I needed extra light here in front. So I've added that one long beam of LED strip, and also realized I needed some washing lines. So I've got a bit of a washing line there, and there's a washing line here from side to side. So if it's not good weather, at least I can hang some washing inside the van. And there's one here across there as well. And one thing I did do in the beginning was I removed all the hooks that were in the van, and then I moved them to positions where I wanted them. So I've added quite a few hooks. Another thing I also made, I just made that yesterday afternoon, a little incense holder. And also realized that if I sit at the back in the van, if the table is not here and the bed is made, I need a little shelf for myself. Added some hooks above the door so I can hang my keys and all different things. Fly swat that I definitely need if you're out in the bush for the flies, and a little feather duster, and then my squeegee to clean the front window after I've taken the cover off. Normally dirty, so it's just easier with a squeegee to clean the windscreen. Also, with one of my outings, I realized I needed a 12-volt extension, so I've made it a 12-volt extension cable, and I also fitted an extension cable that's connected permanent into the van, quite a long cable, and also just got a 12-volt plug at the end, and heavy duty cable. And then added some more of my photographs from the trips that I've done. And the kitchen side, I moved the LED strip that was behind that ridge there. I've actually stuck it underneath, so it's just better lighting for the kitchen. And then also added a little one, tiny light there. Early mornings when I get up, I don't need bright light, or I don't want bright light. So it's just a dim light to light up here for the kettle to make a cup of coffee. On the inside of the door frame, I've mounted a walking stick. It sticks on, just fits in the corner, and it's got a strap around, Velcro strap. And on the other side, I've got a umbrella Also just held in by Velcro strap around and a piece of pipe at the bottom where it fits in to secure it. Also made two little reading lights that are got Velcro behind it, and I can just stick it to the carpet on the roof, and I've got quite a long cable to it, so I can move the lights wherever I want to. Quite a while ago I made Stippy for my van, and I've got no idea why I didn't film the process of making it and welding it and painting it. And then in the meantime I've decided to make Russell and Cindy one as well. I just did that this morning, and guess what? I also didn't film any of the making of this little Stippy. But now Russell and Cindy has also got a steel Stippy for their van. Thanks for watching. It was only a short video, but I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully soon I'll be going up the north coast. I wanted to go this week or next week, but it's school holidays now, so there'll be a lot of people on the beach. And also looking at the weather is not all that fantastic, so I decided to stay home, and I'll do some more jobs on the van. A couple of things that I'm still making. My list that I came back with last time was pretty long, and I've done most of the stuff on the list, but still some jobs to be done. So see you soon. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Cheers.